Hey, this is Brad Gill, NextHome Lifestyles. Welcome to another Lifestyles listing. Today we're checking out a very unique home located here in the desirable Rose Garden neighborhood of San Jose, just steps from the Alameda and in close proximity of Santa Clara. Welcome home to 1144 West Heading Street. A two-story Art Deco inspired home offering just over 2,500 square feet of interior living space, featuring unique architecture and design throughout. With 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, an attached 2-car garage, and a well-sized 6,300 square foot lot featuring a gorgeous entertainer's backyard. Words just don't do this beautiful home justice. This popular, centrally located neighborhood is well known for its tree-lined streets and distinct homes dating back to the early 1900s, as well as its close proximity to an abundance of shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations located along the historic Alameda. Boasting an ultra-convenient commuter location in Silicon Valley, residents of this neighborhood are also just minutes from major freeway access, community centers, local parks, as well as top Silicon Valley employers, such as Apple Computers, NVIDIA, and so much more. It's been a real pleasure showing you around this wonderful home today. I'm Brad Gill with NextHome Lifestyles, and I'd like to invite you to come see it in person. Thank you so much for watching. Find your next home today, exclusively at 1144 West Heading Street in San Jose.